Today we are going to discuss derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions. So these are also the important problems, and this one is the important topic for our derivatives also. So even you have to learn here simple techniques and simple substitutions to find the derivative of the inverse trigonometric functions. So before going that, first we have to find the derivatives of sine inverse, cos inverse, tan, cosec and sec inverse functions. First, observe here, find the derivative of f given by fx equal to sine inverse x, assuming it exists. So consider this one. So first write y equal to or fx equal to sine inverse x. So as we know, the chain rule, and we have already solved some problems concerned to implicit function. So here if we change this LHS to RHS, that is, so this implies, so if we bring sine inverse this, that is LHS side, or if it changes this side, sine inverse becomes a regular functions, that is sine y equal to x or y x equal to sine y. Yes. So therefore now we have to differentiate this one. Differentiate with respect to x. So observe here, with respect to x, this is implicit here. So therefore derivative of sine is, that is d by dx of sine y, this equal to d by dx of x. So observe here, this one is at present it is implicit. So therefore differentiating with respect to x, first we come across sine, therefore this equal to cos y. And now, so derivative of y is dy upon dx. So this is equal to derivative of x is 1. So therefore dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon cos y. Dy upon dx equal to 1 by cos y. So therefore, so previous formulae that you know, cos y equal to root of 1 plus sine square, that is sine square plus cos square equal to 1. Using that formula, cos y equal to, that is 1 minus sine square. Yes, so therefore root of 1 minus sine square. Similarly, cos of y, you may use cos of sine inverse x here, so by substituting the value of sine inverse x for y. So you can substitute, you can solve this in this way. Therefore observe here, this equal to dy by dx equal to 1 upon root of 1 minus sine square y, because sine square y plus cos square y equal to 1. Therefore cos square y equal to 1 minus sine square y, or cos y equal to root of 1 minus sine square y. So here root of 1 minus sine square y. Therefore dy upon dx equal to 1 upon root of 1 minus, so sine square y. So value of sine y is here. Value of sine y is here x. Therefore, so put x square. So therefore d by dx of, so that is y equal to sine inverse x. Sine inverse x, this equal to 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. So remember this formula. d by dx of sine inverse x equal to 1 minus x square. So using this value, x equal to sine square y, substitute x equal sine square y equal to x here. Yes, so this is simple case. So you have to repeat the same thing, or you can find the derivative of the other inverse trigonometric functions in this way. So observe this one. Find the derivative of f given by fx equal to tan inverse x. Yes. First write y equal to tan inverse x. So being to LHS, that is tan y equal to x. So now differentiate. Now it is implicit. So differentiate with respect to x. That is dy dx of tan y equal to dy dx of x. Usual procedure is there. So for all the six, so the same procedure. So derivative of tan is sec square y, derivative of y is dy upon dx, this equal to 1. So now therefore dy upon dx equal to 1 upon sec square y. So you know that dy by dx, this equal to formula for sec square y, that is 1 plus tan square equal to sec square. So therefore, so sec square in terms of tan is, that is given is in terms of tan, so therefore we have to convert the function in terms of tan, that is 1 plus tan square y. So observe here, therefore dy dx of this equal to 1 upon 1 plus tan y. So tan y equal to x, therefore tan square y is, so this equal to x square. So for time being, so you need not worry about the domain of the x. So until that, just try to solve the problems in this way. So d by dx of, that is therefore dy dx of tan inverse x equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. So remember this one. Let's go for third one. So in this case also y equal to cos inverse x, therefore bring cos to LHS, cos y equal to x. Now differentiate with respect to x, therefore dy dx of cos y equal to dy dx of x. Therefore derivative of cos is minus sin y, derivative of y dy upon dx, this equal to 1. Therefore dy upon dx equal to 1 divided by, and minus this is becomes minus 1 divided by sin y. So as in the previous case, minus 1 upon root of 1 minus sin is root of 1 minus cos square y. Therefore d by dx of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. So here substitute the value for cos square, that is x, cos y equal to x. So therefore this becomes x square. So here cos square equal to, again same formula, sin square plus cos square equal to 1. Therefore sin square equal to 1 minus cos square. So that is sine equal to root of 1 minus cos square. So you have to substitute here in this one. Yes. Next one. Now consider the problem y equal to cot inverse x. Y equal to cot inverse x. Bring this to LHS. Cot y equal to x. Therefore, differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, d by dx of cot y equal to d by dx of x. So therefore, this derivative of cot is minus cos x square y, and derivative of y is dy by dx. This equal to 1. So now dy upon dx, this equal to minus 1 upon cos x square y. Now change the cos x square y in terms of x. So since given function is in terms of x, therefore cos x square equal to 1 plus cot square y. So 1 plus cot square equal to cos x square. That's first year formula. So therefore dy upon dx equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus substitute cot y equal to x here. Cot y equal to x. So therefore this becomes x square. So therefore dy dx of cot inverse x equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Yes. So remember this one. So now go for next problem. Y equal to sec inverse. So usual procedure, y equal to sec inverse x. Therefore bring sec to LHS, that becomes sec y equal to x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Therefore d by dx of sec y equal to d by dx of x. Therefore derivative of sec is sec tan. So therefore derivative of sec is here sec y into tan y, and derivative of y is dy by dx. This equal to 1. So now therefore dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon sec y into tan y. Observe here, so our function is in terms of x, therefore we have to substitute for tan y. So re-substitute the value for tan y. Therefore dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon sec y. Tan is equal to, yes, tan is equal to first year formula. So that is, I will write here 1 plus tan square equal to sec square. Therefore tan square equal to sec square minus 1. Therefore tan equal to root of sec square minus 1. So therefore this equal to tan y equal to sec square y minus 1. So now dy by dx of y, it is 1 upon, substitute sec y is here, sec y equal to x root x square minus 1. So therefore dy by dx of, that is sec inverse x equal to 1 upon x root x square minus 1. X root x square minus 1. Similarly, we have to find the derivative of cosec inverse. Y equal to cosec inverse x, cosec inverse cosec y equal to x. Yes, cosec y equal to x. Now differentiate with respect to x, dy dx of cosec y equal to dy dx of x. So therefore derivative of cosec is minus cosec y cot y, and derivative of y is dy by dx. This equal to derivative of x is 1. Therefore dy upon dx equal to minus 1 upon cosec y into cot y, similarly as in the previous case. Therefore dy by dx equal to minus 1 upon cosec y cot y becomes so root of cosec square minus 1, cosec square y minus 1. So therefore it is a first year formula. Convert 1 plus cot square equal to cosec square. Therefore cosec square 1 plus cot square equal to cosec square. Therefore cot square equal to 1 cosec square minus 1. So therefore cosec equal to cot equal to root of cosec square minus 1. So therefore this equal to minus 1 upon x root of x square minus 1. So this is, rewrite this one, dy dx of cosec inverse x equal to minus 1 upon x root x square minus 1. Remember this one. So this is a table that you have to remember the formula, that is derivative of, so already all the 6 were solved. Dy dx of sine inverse x equal to 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Similarly, derivative of cos inverse x, so this equal to minus, so sine inverse plus cos inverse minus, and d by dx of tan inverse x equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. And observe here cot inverse, derivative of cot inverse is minus sign here, cos inverse is minus, cot inverse is minus, and observe here also sec inverse is plus, cosec inverse is again minus. Observe here cos, cot, cosec. So to remember cos, cot, cosec, so begin from C, all the minus signs, and sine inverse cos inverse formula are same except in sine. Similarly tan inverse and cot inverse are same except in sine. So similarly sec inverse and cosec inverse are so same formula, just they are changing in the sign only. Yes. So for next class, so you must remember these formula. So that is, so all the formula that you learnt in the first year. So that observe here sin 2a, there are two formula, 2 sin a cos a and 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. So this formula tan a, 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square. So 1 minus 2 sin square a for cos 2a, there are 4 formula, and tan 2a. So there is this formula sin 3a, cos 3a, tan 3a. All these are very important you must prepare and you must buy it. So write once, twice, and throughout the year you practice this formula. Using this formula, we have to find the we are going to find the derivatives using substitution here. Yes. So observe this formula. So where we are going to substitute for x. So 1 minus tan square. So similarly 2 tan a. So not only this, all the set of these formula are very very important. So better prefer for next class. Yes. Thank you.